The mums on the flood and drain table are doing very well. They get water every other day. And watered from the bottom. It rained last night, so they got a little bit of water in the container, but they are very healthy. This mum is in a peat moss cocoa mixture, and it doesn't hold water at all, and it's been watered every day from top watering, and it just doesn't hold enough water to keep the plants alive. It rained a little bit, so they're getting a little bit of moisture now. This mum is in the same peat mixture and doesn't like to be flooded. It's sitting in water and suffering because of it. So material and medium makes a difference on what type of irrigation we have and how much water it sits in.